A very good morning, dear children. Children, today you are going to do your English work in your notebook. So take out your notebook and your stationery like pencil, eraser, blue marker pencil and your ruler. I hope you have taken out all the things. Children, today we will learn a new topic.
Vowel cluster sounds and their words. Children, I have taught you earlier what are the vowels. So, just revise it through a definition.
A vowel is a letter that represents a sound in English by the letters A, E, I, O, U. As I told you earlier. And in Hindi, we call them swar. Okay, children? I have written here cluster. C-L-U-S-T-E-R, cluster. So, what does a cluster mean? Children, cluster means a group of people or things that stand together or closely. A cluster can also be called a bunch, a group, a pack, a batch, a center, etc. Now, the question is, what is the vowel cluster? So, in simple words, a group of two or more vowels occurring in a word is called vowel cluster. Examples are AI in rain and pain, EA in dear and near, OU in pout and cloud. Okay, children? So today we are going to do exercise of this topic, vowel cluster. Firstly, you will write down date here in this corner. Then you will write down the heading. VOWEL, vowel, CLUSTER, cluster. Then you will underline it. And from second row, you will write that a group of two or more vowels occurring in a word is called vowel cluster, as I told you. Examples, EA in beans or team, OU in south and pout. Okay. So you will write this in one page and you will draw a finishing line because you have finished a definition of this vowel cluster. But don't worry, this definition will not come in the examination. I have explained this just for your knowledge. Okay, children? So, come to the next page. Children, I have made an exercise here. So, in second page, you will write down date here in this corner. And you will write down the heading. VOWEL, vowel, CLUSTER, cluster, WORDS, words, vowel cluster words. So in this exercise, we will write the vowel cluster words with these sounds. These are vowel cluster sounds now. So first we will read the vowel cluster sounds. AI, OU, OO, EA, IE, OA, EE, OI. Okay, now we'll start writing three words from each sound. So, we'll start with AI right here. TAIL, tail. And our next word is PAINT, paint. Okay? Our third word is brain. BRAIN. So children, I have written three words with vowel cluster AI sound. Okay? Now come to the next sound, OU. So you will write here LOUD, loud. LOUD, loud. COUNT, count. And POUND, pound. So children, we have written three vowel cluster words with OU sound. Fine. Come to the next sound, double O, OO. So we'll write here Z O O zoo. B O O K book. S P O O N spoon. So children, we have written 3 vowel cluster words with double O sound. Come to the next sound, EA. So our first word is R E A D. R E A D. Read. Okay? Our next word is E A T. Eat. Our third word is P L E A S E. Please. Now we have written 3 vowel cluster words with EA sound. Come to the next sound, IE. So our first word is here, T I E.
tie,
T I E.
tie,
Okay? Our second word with IE sound is F I E L D. Field. And our third word is pie. P I E.
pie,
So children, we have written 3 vowel cluster words, tie, field, pie with IE sound. Come to the next sound, OA. First word is SOAP, soap. Our next word is COAT, coat. Third word is ROAD, road. Okay? So children, we have written 3 vowel cluster words with OA sound. Come to the next sound, double E, EE. So we'll write here T double E TH, teeth. B double E B. S double E D, seed. I've written here 3 vowel cluster words with double E sound. Come to the next and last sound of today's exercise, OI. So we'll write first word here, COIN, coin. BOIL, boil. BOIL, boil. JOINT, joint. Fine. So I have written here 3 vowel cluster words with OI sound. Children, we have completed today's exercise and I have explained it well. So these 2 pages you have to do in your notebook. I will give the pictures of these exercises in the worksheet.
and you will note down the same work in 2 pages. Children, you will learn all these vowel cluster words with spellings
And write very neatly. Thank you. Bye-bye.